Hello, my name is Alina. I come from Romania. I'm a writer, I'm a teacher, I'm an artist. I also have a PhD in philology, and I always loved to paint since I was a little child. In the last years, I had some solo and group exhibitions, and my art reflects a very personal experience. I use different techniques such as pastel, oil painting, graphics, and I like to try all the time new things. I paint with my soul, I paint dreams, I paint feelings, I paint my memories, and I want to show to the world fresh vision through the eyes of a child. I'm happy to be here. I'm also very content to expose in Venice at this art fair. Thank you.